Hello folks, it's the Wolf Hunter. If you've seen my videos I posted yesterday, you'll see that I picked up a Mosin Nagant sniper and a K98 Mauser from Hunter's Lodge. One of my subscribers, Rusty Surplus, he wanted to know what it looked like under the wood. Well, this is the Nagant. I've taken it down, and this video is for you, Rusty. Check it out. This is what it looked like under the wood, brother. Not bad at all. A little rust. Nothing major. Still a lot of bluing underneath there. There we go. I took off the front side hood. Now, this is the other side. And as you can see, this is where the mount used to be. You can see good bluing right here, and then everything else is faded except below the wood line. And then we come on down. Bluing looks good under the wood line. Not bad. Not bad at all. Trigger assembly. Magazine housing, whichever you want to call it. Good condition. And like I told you in the other video, this is the bolt that came with it, and I put the scope on it. I can't use this bolt, and I said in the video James is supposed to send me out a proper one to go with this. I definitely would appreciate it because it don't work either way, you know. This is the scope. Okay, as you see, it's a Chi-Com. It's a reproduction of a PU scope. It works. It will work just fine. And one of my viewers at YDOC Productions 5593 stated that this is a Tula sniper. Well, he is correct. That is a Tula marking, and these markings here, that one and that one, represent that this is a sniper. So this is a true Nagant sniper. And here's the handguard, top handguard. Look at that. That is in really good shape. Really good shape. No cracks, bings, tears, whatever. You know, light scratching, go figure. And here's the stock. Bring it up here. Now, I thought that was a crack. That's not a crack. That's a scratch. It does have one marking here. I can't hardly see it, but you can see where there was a stamp there. And one faint one somewhere. Where is that one? There is somewhere on here. I did see it. I think it's right there. And on the back of the stock, it has 8. Has an 8, and right here it has an 8. Now, any of my viewers out there know what that means? Let me know. But the stock is in good shape. I am very pleased with it. And like I said in my other video, I am not going to strip this down and redo the wood. This is going to stay about like it is. I'm going to clean the grime off of it and probably go over with a little oil. But that is going to be it. That's going to be the gist of the situation for this one. There's a reproduction sling. Okay. But other than that, folks, I'm very pleased with my Hunter's Lodge purchase. And thanks to everyone out there for watching and keeping the faith with my channel. I appreciate it. And don't forget to, if you like it, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. It sure helped me out. All right, folks. Until next time, as always, God bless America. Stay safe and watch your six. And I stand with the people of Ukraine.